Take command of the road in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.